Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Dulce Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to decorate snowflake cookies for winter using two of my favorite techniques. The first one is going to be the filigree technique and the second one it's the Isomalt technique. The first thing you need to do to start this project is to cut out and bake different sizes and shapes of snowflake cookies, allow them to cool completely, and then you have to prepare flat consistency royal icing to float them. And to do that, you can use for the smaller cookies a number 1 tip and for the largest one a number 2 or a number 3 tip. Once you finish floating the cookies, you have to allow them to dry completely to continue decorating, and for that it usually takes about 3 to 6 hours. What I do is I just let them dry overnight and then the next morning I can just continue decorating. And for the first cookie, which is the smallest one, I'm just gonna decorate using some beads, and for that I'm gonna use medium consistency royal icing in a number 1 tip. I also want to let you know that my royal icing and sugar cookie recipes are available for you to buy them on my blog, which is www.dulcebakery.com, and you can also find the link in the description of the video. For this cookie, I'm gonna use sprinkles to decorate it, and for that you just need to pour the sprinkles on top while the icing is still wet. At this point you can just let it dry like that, or if you want you can add a few more decorations like I'm doing. Now for this cookie, I'm using the filigree technique, and for that I strongly recommend you to go to my blog or to go to the link which I'm leaving down below in the description of the video and print out the template so you can practice this technique, and once you feel comfortable, you can just do it on your cookies, your cupcakes or cakes. And if you're gonna do it on your cookie, in this case I'm using medium consistency royal icing and a number 1 tip. For these cookies, I'm using the Isomalt technique, which is this clear liquid, and if you don't know how to prepare it or how to use this technique, I strongly recommend you to visit the video that I'm linking up here so you can learn how to prepare it, where to buy it, and the different fun ways to use it. Next, I'm outlining the cookie using medium consistency royal icing and a number 1 tip, and this is a different way to float your cookie in case you don't want to use the flat consistency royal icing. And the next step, as you can see, you can just float the cookie using the white icing that you used with the previous cookies and a number 2 tip. Once you have distributed the icing using your scribe tool, you have just to let it dry for about 6 to 8 hours, and then you can continue decorating the cookie using the filigree technique. And to finish up with these cookies, I'm just gonna pour some sprinkles on the clear Isomalt, and that's it, your cookies are ready. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions for upcoming tutorials, leave your comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. See you next time.